Oh guys, look what we have here. It is the Vornado box fan model 80. Let's cheer all over for this guy. Cartier Ed, Jordan U, Eli Lasco, Lamont the Fan Man. I'll try to see if I can do this real quick. Hold on. It does have this now this fan is awesome, and this is my first experience with one. Look, it's about 18 inches in diameter, but it's this is basically Vornado's proper box fan. And of course here it's this DeWalt air circulator. I won't have time to demonstrate that one, but at least we have this one. This is my first time experiencing one, so I know a lot of y'all have this fan. Lamont, Jordan, Eli, Ed. So yeah, I'm not gonna do the left side or the right side. I don't think I can really. All right, left side, right side, back. Here's the back. It does come with this little kickstand. It's kind of cool, and a cord wrap. Pretty nice. I did originally have the kickstand on it, but I don't know. And this fan is pretty heavy too, but I can lift it. All right, so here we go. Moment of truth. Here we go. My first time experiencing the Vornado 80. Wow. Wow. This is a great fan. I repeat, a great fan. This is awesome. And this fan is the model, I don't know the model number on it, but it says Vornado high velocity box fan. Ain't that amazing? So there's on speed 1. It's very powerful, and it's very quiet too. It's got a timer as well. All right, let's go up to speed 2. Man, this is a nice fan. I'd actually buy one for myself to use in the collection. This is amazing. Wow. I would not take this DeWalt fan over the I'd rather definitely take this one over the DeWalt fan and all the Wuzu fans. All the way back here, I could still feel it. Awesome. All right, let's go up to speed number 3 now. Look at my shirt that's blowing. This is also, it is getting louder, but it's still quiet enough so that I would use it. This is on sale for 65 bucks. So I would not lower my weight for this thing. So yeah. And speed 4 sounds pretty nice on speed 4. If I back up, this is probably around like 6 feet away from it, but wow. And high. It's very loud. Okay, it's very loud, but it's very powerful. And here's the box if you guys are wondering. Five-year warranty, so yep. Let's wow. Spin down. Wow, that is incredibly powerful. Wow. Oh my god. I apologize, Lasco 3733 or B2200. You were beat by this one. This is such an awesome fan. I highly recommend it. So if you're at Costco, go get yourself a Vornado Model 80 high velocity box fan. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next fan video, and as always, peace.